Okay guys, still at Glendale. Got one on the CSX Main 1 coming towards the station, which used to be an old B&O station back in the day. Used to have a regular roof on it and they put that metal roof on it. I used to take my kids to that station to watch the trains here through Glendale. But let's see what we got. Pardon me, I am wiping off my lens. This will be the last train of the night for me. I've got to go pick up my wife at work. And this is the latest I've been out, so let's see what we got. Sounds like it's pulling pretty hard. But honestly, I just heard the train horn as I was leaving, but I didn't get out of the parking lot. So let's see what we got. But it's not going fast. We've got a green on track 1, CSX track 1 north at Glendale. And this thing is not moving as fast as the other ones are, but it sounds like it's pulling pretty hard. So let's see what we got here, but this will be the last one. Lord knows I've shot enough trains today, but this is the latest I've ever shot. Oh yeah, you can see a lot of smoke coming out of it, so it's definitely pulling. What do we have here? Was a Wabash Railroad Heritage Unit. It looks like we got a bunch of gondolas. They look empty because of the springs. I don't know if this was a scrap metal train or what, but I would anticipate it's a scrap metal train. Wabash Heritage Unit headed north on track 1, CSX track 1 at Glendale, Ohio. Thanks for watching, and until next time, whenever I get out again to shoot, I will be posting more eventually. Take care. Thanks for watching from Glendale, Ohio. There again is the old B&O train station, preserved. Glendale, Ohio. Take care, guys. Thanks.